Hello everyone! Good afternoon, good morning, or good night kung anumang time kayo na nanonood nitong ating Canva Amazing tutorial. So welcome to our episode 1. My name is Sir King and I'm from Design Camp Philippines, wherein our goal is to teach individuals the different graphic design tools. And for today, in today's video, ang ating episode 1 that we will talk about is about the creating animation in Canva. Kaya naman ang name natin dito sa ating series of video here on YouTube and also on Facebook is Canva Amazing kasi ito yung mga projects na pwede mong kunin at pwede mong gawin sa iyong Canva. Malay mo, di ba? In the near future, you can earn from this skills. Okay? Kaya naman for today, we will start with animating a simple project dito sa ating Canva Amazing episode 1. Kaya naman, kung ready ka na, let's begin our Canva Amazing episode 1 with our animation. Okay, so let's begin with our lesson for today. So kindly open your Canva wherein ito ang gagamitin natin for the rest of the series here on our Canva Amazing episode. So whether you're using free or you're using pro account, that's okay kasi we will make sure that you can still do the project even though may limitations dun sa iyong Canva kung naka-Canva free ka. Okay? So let's begin our creating our project. So dito sa ating create a design, so click nyo lang yung create a design dyan and we will look for the video template. So just type video and then yung unang lalabas dyan is the video template na merong 1920 by 1080px, which is the standard for our YouTube videos, landscape videos kay Facebook, and so on. Okay? So since we are dealing with animation for today's episode, kaya video na 1920 by 1080 yung ating pipiliin. Sige po, pakiclick lang natin yan. And magsisimula tayo with this blank canvas. Now, I know you already you are familiar with the Canva environment. So, hindi ko na sa isa-isahin. Pero ang pinagkaiba lang nitong ating video template compared to other Canva na nakasanayan nyo like creating images, creating Facebook creating different things is that meron tayong timeline sa baba. Okay, so yun lang yung main difference niya. So when you are dealing with video kay Canva, makikita mo na meron tayo dito sa baba na timeline. Okay po? So yan lang yung pinag-aiba niya. Now, let's start with a simple animation na probably alam mo na din. So let's start by adding an element here on our canvas. So I'll try to look for a B element. Yan. So pipili lang ako sa graphics natin and I will choose a free na B element. So this one will do. Yan, di ba? Cute nung ano natin, ng animation natin dyan. Nung graphics natin. Now, if you have here your graphics, your B graphics, the typical way to create an animation is you click the object that you want to animate. For example, here, yung ating B, and you click the animate icon or animate button sa taas. Diba? So, yan yung pinakaalam natin na way to animate. So, there are a lot of choices here. You have the basic, you have the pan, you have the wipe, you have the drift. Then, meron tayong exaggerate na animation. So, you can explore on those things. So, pwede siyang rotate, pwedeng flicker, pwedeng pulse, or pwedeng wiggle. Diba? So, marami tayong option dito sa animate. Pero, ang gagawin natin is a little different kasi meron tayong tinatawag kay Canva na create an animation. Okay? So, paano natin siya gagawin? So, una, ang pwesto muna natin yung ating object or ating graphic dito sa pinaka-gilid. Now, take note of the position, hindi ko siya tinanggal dun sa mismong canvas. So, nakikita pa rin yung certain part ng ating graphic dito. Okay, so hindi ko siya tinanggal. Okay, now I will click again animate here. So this will be our starting position. Click animate. Okay, and then dito sa taas, you will have a custom animation or create an animation. You just need to click it. Okay po. So pagka-click mo, may lalabas dito ang instruction. Ang gagawin mo lang is you will move this figure na ginawa natin papunta dun sa kanyang final or exit na position. Ngayon, ang maganda dito, pwede mo siyang galawin and yun yung i-record na movement ni Canva. So example, nandito siya sa ating starting position which is on the left of our canvas. Then gagawin ko dyan, i-rotate ko siya, dadaanin ko sa baba, padadaanin ko sa taas, until ma-reach niya yung pinaka-exit. So, it will automatically have its preview. So, pwede mo na siyang i-play dito sa ilalim. Okay? Or, you can change the speed and the movement style. So, pwede mong gawing mas smooth yung animation para hindi naman siya yung utal-utal. Then, you can change the speed and change it to steady. Di ba? Mas exciting siya tingnan compared to a simple wipe or simple lalabas lang siya sa screen. Di ba? So, ang tawag natin dyan is custom animation. Now, once you're done with your animation, don't forget to click done dito sa baba. Okay? So, meron kayong makikita dyang done sa baba. Ito. Yan. Okay. Meron dyang done button sa baba. So, don't forget to click it. Kasi kapag hindi mo siya kinlik, hindi ma-record yung animation. Baliwala yung ginawa mo. So pag pinlay mo, it looks like this one. 'Di ba? So it's one way to have an exciting exciting animation doon sa iyong project. Okay? Next, let's have another one na pwede mong gamitin sa mga projects or gamitin mo sa mga presentation mo. Okay? So balik ulit tayo sa ating homepage. Balik lang tayo sa homepage natin. And this time, we will create a design, pero we will use the presentation na template. So just type create design, presentation, and you will see the presentation na naka 16 by 9. Ito. Okay? So kindly choose this 16 by 9 na ating presentation template. Yan. Okay? And ito yung gagamitin natin for our animation later. Okay na po. Yan. Now next, we will look for the elements na gagamitin natin dito sa project na to. So if you need to take time to look or to search for your graphics, pwede nyo pong i-pause itong ating video para magkaroon kayo ng time to search for your graphics. Okay? So first, let's search for the sun. Yan. So, ang pipiliin ko dito is a free na graphic. So, ito. Ito, free lang po itong graphic na to. So, if you're using a free Canva, pwede nyo po siyang gamitin. Pwesto ko lang siya dito sa bandang right side ng aking canvas or aking presentation. Rotate lang natin para pantay. Yan. And then, I will search for moon. Yan. So, hanap lang tayo dito ng free again na graphics para pwede nating magamit. So, hanap. I think this one is free. Ito po, yung may mga stars. Okay, so yan, free to. So, pwede natin tong kunin. I-rotate lang natin. So, we already have the sun on the right and then the moon on the left. Now, next natin gagawin is maghanap tayo ng mountain na pwede nating gamitin for this animation. So, I will look for mountain. Ito, free din tong mountain na to. So, pakihanap na lang yung kanyang itsura. You can pause the video para makita nyo yung kanyang itsura at ma-search nyo ng maayos. Okay? Yan. So, you have the mountain at the center. So, the position is you have the sun on the right, then you have the moon, and you have the mountain. Now, ayusin lang natin yung starting position nitong animation kasi para mas maganda siyang tingnan. So, if you will click position dito sa taas, may makikita kayo dyan position, and then you need to go to layers dito. Okay, so position, then layers. Ang gagawin natin yung moon. So, pakiclick natin itong layer ng moon, which is this one. So, ang gagawin natin is make sure that the layer is that yung mountain yung nandun sa taas, followed by the moon, followed by the sun. Okay? Now, after that, yung moon na image natin, ang gagawin natin dyan, we will move it dito sa ilalim. Since the mountain is yung nasa top layer, para siyang nagtatago dun sa mountain natin. So, magiging ganito yung itsura. Okay? So, you have the sun, you have the mountain, and you have the moon. Okay po? Yan. Next, here on our pages, dito sa baba, ang gawin lang natin, click the three dots here. So may makikita kayo dyang three dots sa baba ng layer, or sorry, ng ating pages. And then you hit duplicate page. Okay, so hit duplicate page. So ibig sabihin, you will have two pages dyan, page 1 and page 2 that looks alike. So magkamukhang magkamukha yan. Now, ang susunod natin gagawin is that our mouse cursor, we will place it here sa gitna nung slide 1 and slide 2. So move your mouse cursor dito sa gitna and may lalabas dyan na menu. Dalawang menu yan. You have the add page and you have the add transition. Nakita niyo po? Add page and add transition. So click nyo lang yung add transition. Yan. And then, may makikita kayo dito sa gilid na transitions. Move lang natin para makita. Dito, pakipili po yung match and move. Match and move, and then the duration, place it sa maximum level, 2.5. Okay? So, you have the maximum 2.5. Then you have the match and move. Next, sunod natin gawin, we click the second page, which is ito. We click the second page, and then we go to position again, dito sa taas, position, and then this time, ang gagawin natin, we click the moon layer. So, you go to layers, and then you click the moon layer, and then ang gawin natin, we place the moon here sa taas. Okay? And then, click the sun layer dito po sa ating left side. Okay? And then yung sun naman yung ating ilalagay sa likod ng mountain. Okay? So kung kanina yung sun yung nakalabas, moon yung nakatago, this time, moon naman yung nakalabas, sun yung nakatago. Okay? But don't forget, saan natin siya ginagalaw? Go to position, go to layers, and then dito lang. So makikita mo dyan yung image nung moon, nung sun, and nung mountain. Okay? Now, if you click present, boom, transition. Nakita? Now, pwede ba natin pagandahin itong slides na to? Yan, pagandahin lang natin ng konti. Okay. So, ito. So, pwede natin gawin yung first na ating slide na merong sun na nakalabas and then moon nakatago. Pwede natin yan lagyan ng color na sky blue para representing na day. And then yung ating next slide, itong pangalawa, pwede natin yang palitan ng violet. Okay? And then, pwede natin pindutin yung mountain para palitan yung colors niya. So kanina green, pwede natin palitan to ng mas dark na color para mag-match siya doon sa nighttime na setting. Okay? So, pili lang tayo dito ng pagka-blue. Yan, okay. And then yung pinaka-color natin sa highlight, which is white, gawin lang natin siya na light blue. Yan, di ba? So, pag pinlay natin siya, pag pinlay natin both of the slides, yan, okay. So, let's just play this. Okay, yan, okay. So, if we will play this, let's present, then let's play. Yan. So, when we click next, di ba? Nag-transition din yung color. Now, anong tawag dito sa transition na to? Don't forget, so if you click the slide here sa baba, ang tawag dito is the magic move. Okay? So yan, pwede siyang gawin doon sa mga exciting na tag dito na slides ninyo. Okay po? Sige, try pa tayong iba dito para mas ma-visualize nyo yung tinatawag nating match and move. So dito, let's have a blank na slide. Then lagay lang tayo dito ng Earth. Yan, hanap tayo dito ng magandang image ng Earth. And then sabihin natin na we will place it at the middle. Okay? So meron ka dyang Earth and then let's have a simple heading here saying that it is the Earth. Diba? So meron ka dyang word na Earth and then meron kang image na Earth. So ang gagawin mo lang, ulitin natin katulad nung kanina, we will duplicate this, duplicate page, and then place your mouse at the middle of the two slides na dinuplicate mo. And then you add transition. So may makikita kang dalawang button dyan, add page and add transition. Ang pipindutin mo is add transition. Okay? Now, yung add transition mo, pipiliin mo lang is match and move. And then you change the duration to 2.5, which is the max duration. Okay? Now, next nyan, kapag nalagay mo na yung match and move, go to the next slide na dinuplicate mo, yung pangalawang slide na dinuplicate mo. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, pwede mo na tong galawin. For example, i-resize ko tong Earth. Lalagay ko lang siya dito. Then ito, pwede ko tong i-resize and then lagay ko siya dito. 'Di ba? So, they're two identical. May globe, or sorry, may Earth ka and then may Earth na text. And then dito sa pangalawa, ni-resize lang natin. Ngayon, anong itsura nito kapag pinlay na or pinresent na? Yan. So you have there your Earth. Since you have your magic move, ang mangyayari dyan will look like this one. Diba? Ang ganda ng transition. Okay? So I think that's it for our episode 1 of our animation. So pinakita ko sa inyo yung two ways para mas maging exciting yung next project nyo, whether it's a video, animation, presentation, or kung ano man. Una, you will use the custom animation. At pangalawa, you can use what we call the magic move on our Canva environment. Now, take note that this transition only works for few templates. Hindi po siya gumagana sa maraming templates. So, tingnan nyo mabuti kung pwede siya dun sa mga gagamitin yung project. Okay po? Kaya naman, thank you for watching this Canva Amazing Episode 1. Sana marami kayong natutunan even though maiksi lang yung time natin for tonight. Kung nanonood kayo ngayong gabi, ngayong umaga, ngayong tanghali, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Again, this is Sir King. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel kasi next week, we will have another Canva Amazing project and Canva Amazing tutorial. Kaya naman, maraming salamat sa panonood, campers. This is Design Camp PH. Maraming salamat and have a great day. Thank you!